Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete Windows.old folder from your Windows 10 operating system. If you have recently upgraded to a new version of Windows 10, this installation process saves a copy of your previous Windows version in the Windows.old folder. If your computer is working correctly after the upgrade, you can safely delete the Windows.old folder to reclaim a huge space of your hard disk. But you just cannot delete this in a traditional way. Well, let's see the trick. Now open your computer and you can see my C drive is 94.6 GB free. Just remember it. Now go to C drive. Here you can see the Windows.old folder. At first, you need to know the size of this folder. Just right click on it and go to Properties. Here you can see it's calculating the size of this folder. This will take only few seconds. Well, look at now. It's around 13 GB space captured by your old version for no use. Anyways, but as I told before, you just cannot delete this by traditional way, like Shift plus delete. This may corrupt your Windows files. Then what to do? You need to just follow my instruction here. Just right click on C drive like this. Then go to Properties. Here click on Disk Cleanup and you will find a list of files to delete. But you need to click on this Cleanup System Files. This may take some time as it is calculating how much space you will be able to clean up from your C drive. So just wait. Well, now scroll down to the end. Here, check this box on previous Windows installation. And you can see it's around 13 GB, right? Now click on OK. Here, click on Delete Files. Well, this may take a few minutes, so be patient. And we are done. As you can see, the Windows.old folder is already vanished. Now click on OK. Here you can see now my Windows C drive is 102 GB free, which was 94 GB earlier. So this is the correct way to delete your Windows.old folder from Windows 10. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and stay tuned.